Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a durable and beautiful anklet? How about three? This set of anklets is from Odoo, and it's made from stainless steel, which means it's not going to cause any issues if you have a skin allergy to certain metals. It has the look and shine of white gold or sterling silver. And the set comes with three very different anklets that are all adjustable in size. So there's a thin, shiny, shimmery one, a thicker rope design, and then this sweet one with the hearts all in a line. Whether you want to give them as a gift, keep one for yourself and give two away, or just keep all three, you can wear them together or separately, and you've got three beautiful anklets. I love the fact that it comes in this sweet little velvet bag, perfect for gift giving or just to keep them safe and stored. And the fact that they are adjustable is so important. Depending on where you want the anklet to hang or just the size of your ankle, you can't go wrong with an adjustable anklet. I love how shiny these are, and knowing that they're stainless steel is reassuring to me because I know that it's not going to cause any reaction on my skin or if I give them as a gift to someone who may have skin allergies to certain metals. And the shine is just exquisite. I'm so pleased with these three anklets that came together in one set. I love the fact that you can separate them and give them as a gift, but they're so beautiful. I think I'm going to keep them all for myself. And that is my point of view.